Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So I want to show you jobs that you can apply for, visa sponsorship jobs that you can apply for from overseas, right? So if you want to come into the country and you need a job, that is going to sponsor your visa, then this is the video for you. So I'm going to be showing you these jobs and take note of where I got these jobs from so you can go there to search for other jobs as well. So these jobs are in different occupations, right? So you can see the one that is for you and apply, right? So I'm just going to be showing you some jobs. So these jobs are just to let you know that you can actually find visa sponsorship jobs in these occupations. I'm going to show you different occupations, right? So you can know these jobs do exist and you can apply for them from overseas, get these job offers and apply for your work visas and then come into the country to live and to work. So you really need to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any vital information. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. So right here, I share information that's going to help you to relocate abroad, whether it's through study, through work, and different other pathways like that. So if you're interested in this kind of information, do subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a video. It's good to just stay updated, if you want to relocate, right? You need to get a lot of information. So by turning on the post notification bell on my channel, every time I share a new video, you get notified, you get a notification, right? So you click the notification and then you get to watch the video. And also give this video a like, as a way of supporting the channel. All I ask for is a like on this video. Thank you so much. And if you want to talk to me, privately, right, you can send me an email so we can arrange to have a one-on-one chat, about your own personal needs. And you can also reach me on Instagram. You can send me a DM on Instagram as well. So these are different ways you can reach me so we can talk about your own personal concerns, for your relocation. All right, so let's get into the video. I'm going to show you these jobs right now. So before I show you the actual jobs, I want to show you the job portal, right? So there's this job portal where you can go get jobs in a particular province, and this is in the province of Saskatchewan. If you've been following my channel, I've done a lot of immigration programs in Saskatchewan that you can take advantage of, and some of them do ask for a job offer. So if you need a job offer to apply for an immigration program, this is one place where you can come to find those jobs. That is for Saskatchewan, all right? So if you see here, there are a lot of jobs here and you can search those jobs by different things. Okay, so for today, 18,163 jobs posted in Saskatchewan today. So 18,000 jobs on this portal right now, and you can view by occupation. You can see management 496, business, finance, and admin 1,171, engineers, architects, IT, natural sciences, health, social science, education and government, arts and culture, recreation, sports, sales and service, trades, transport, construction, oil, gas, mining, farming, processing, manufacturing, and utilities, right? So these are all the jobs, all the job occupations you can search for. So from what we can see here, most jobs are in sales and service, followed by trades, transport, and construction. So that's just an idea of where labor shortage is, so you can know where to check for jobs. So yeah, if you check all those immigration programs and the NOC, the tier of the tier level of the jobs, you'd see that they usually fall under these two. So that is why they really need workers right now. And then you can also view jobs by region. So all the different regions in Saskatchewan. So as you can see here, Saskatoon has the highest jobs, followed by Regina and then Moose Jaw. Okay, so that is how you can search for jobs, right? Okay, so let me just go ahead to show you some actual jobs that you can apply for right now. So let's see jobs in Saskatoon, right? Yeah, let's see jobs in Saskatoon. Okay, so we can see so many jobs. So Saskatoon alone has 4,972 available jobs today. Now, this number changes every day, right? Because new jobs come in, old jobs go out, and all of that. So that number changes. So we can see the positions, the employer, the location, the date it was posted, and the number of vacancies available. So you can see food production supervisor, and the NOC, number is added to all the jobs. Meat cutter, truck driver, light duty cleaning, maintenance administrator, food operations manager, receptionist. So, they just list them up like that, right? So you can see all the jobs that they have here. There's so many different occupations: teaching, nursing, dentist, um, things that have to do with food service, all this food counter and kitchen helper. I see them come up in immigration programs. So basically, any immigration program you want to apply for, this is where you need to come to find jobs, because I've done videos on all of that: SINP and the rest, occupations in demand, so many of them. So I have them all on my channel. So you can check out the Canada playlist on my channel, the top right corner of your screen, and also in the description box below to see all those videos. All right, so let's go ahead and just see some actual jobs. So this is for a senior project engineer. All right, it was posted on the 23rd, that's yesterday, and one position full time, and then you need a bachelor's degree. Experience needed here is 10 years plus. This is a senior project engineer. Obviously, you need to be well educated and have a lot of experience. So you need to apply for this before 13th of June. Yeah. So this is the job, the description, the responsibilities, the skills and qualification, and all of that. Okay, so if you want to apply, you can apply by going to this website. So click here, you visit this website to apply for this job. Okay, you can just click here. This is a link, employer website. So you just click here to apply for the job. Okay, so let me show you another one. This is for general laborer, yeah. And this is also the employer website. So you can go here and click on that. And the email is here as well. So this is really good. This is a very good portal to come find jobs in Saskatchewan. All right. So this is the description of the job, and these are the qualifications and then responsibilities. Okay. All right, let me show you another job. This is for intermediate software developer. And this is the employer website. So you click on this to go see the employer. You can go there and then apply for it on the employer website. But this is just a very good job portal where they bring all these jobs together. So they make it easy for you to find jobs in different occupations in Saskatchewan. So for this particular one, you need a university degree and you need 3 to 5 years of work experience. So this is the description, the responsibilities, qualifications, and technologies that they use. Okay, so let's just see details of this one. Yeah. So for responsibilities, develop software in teams of 3 to 5 developers with the ability to take on tasks from the team and independently work on them to completion. Follow best practices to write clean, maintainable, scalable, and tested software. Contribute to the best engineering practices, including the use of design patterns, CI/CD, maintainable and scalable code, code review, and automated tests. So there's more responsibilities here, so you can go through it. And then for qualifications, 2+ years experience in a related field, bachelor's degree in software engineering or computer science, or 2+ years experience in a related field. Yeah. And then for experience or strong understanding with high scalability, data intensive, distributed internet applications, yeah, and then proficiency in modern software language and willingness to quickly learn our technology stack, right? So that is what it entails. Then these are the technologies they use: cloud native computing using Google Cloud Platform, BigQuery, Cloud Data Flow, Cloud Pub Sub, Google Data Studio, Cloud IAM, Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Data Store, Google Maps Platform, Stackdriver, etc. So this is, a very good place, like I said, just to show you this new portal that was launched in Saskatchewan, the province of Saskatchewan. So you can go here and search for jobs, search for employers, and, just try to get a job in this province. So do share this video with others so they can also take advantage of these amazing opportunities as well. And subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie and I will see you in the next one.